Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to Creative Technology by Sahil Grover. Today I will tell you how to use ChatGPT. Speaking in Punjabi and English both. So please, if you want to learn how to use ChatGPT, follow my channel, like this video and subscribe my channel. You will get more updates about technology videos and you will need any help about any topic of any technology, you will be messaged or comment on our video. So let's start. Go to chatgpt.com. You will see this thing and log in into it. After that, if you want to do something, just just like a content writer, are you a content writer, but you don't want to know which thing you want to write on. So a simple way how to use ChatGPT is just type here act as a content writer and I will ask you for writing a blog and you have to write and just enter. Here you see, absolutely feel free to share the details of the blog topic you had like me to write about and I'll get started on it right way. So ChatGPT is right to start. Sorry, ChatGPT is ready to write the blog, and you have to give title for this. Just say, uh, just I'm saying best mobiles in the month of November 2024. If he knows about this, he will write a blog. So, pen plus enter. This is the title for the blog I'm giving to ChatGPT. So here it is, writing blogs on the mobile. So don't worry, after this, we have finished it. Every mobile configuration he knows, writing on it. That's a simple way you want to use ChatGPT. For more knowledge and more technology videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you.